Welcome to my repair kit. Today we're going to be repairing a shattered ceramic vase. This is a compilation of pictures as I was gluing the vase together, but first you should make a dry run to ensure you have all the pieces and also to determine the order in which they all need to be assembled. Use only thin layers of epoxy and only apply glue to surfaces you intend to stick together. It may take several hours or an extended period of time to eventually glue all the pieces together. Be careful not to cut yourself, but use a razor blade to cut off any excess glue and ensure all the joints are flush. Mix up some filler and fill in all the cracks. Once dry, use a razor blade to cut off the excess. This process was done multiple times. Make sure all the filler and cracked areas are sanded well, starting with 400 grit sandpaper, eventually finishing with 600 grit. Using padding finish, pigments, and a paintbrush, mix up the colors you need for touch-up. As you progress, seal in your touch-up with a clear toner. Usually, gloss is used on ceramics. Continue touching up all the damage. With your padding rag and padding finish, you can clean off any excess or add finish by French polishing. When blending a white surface, I'll use a white toner instead of white pigment because the application is more opaque. I'll add finish just by French polishing. and still more touch-up. This repair is covered in my book at myrepairkit.com. Give it one final coating of clear toner, and it's finished. Thank you for checking out my repair kit.